Welcome. Let's learn how to start a project in Revit. After clicking on Revit and getting to the Revit home, you can simply select new model from left hand side, and here we will find some template files. In most of the recent Revit versions, imperial and metric templates are there by default. You can also go ahead and browse for different other templates that are there. So we can see we have commercial, construction default, precast detailing, plumbing, electrical default, systems, etc. Or if you just want to continue with a particular unit choice, you can choose imperial or metric. If you're using it from your office side, you can also choose a template that exists before in your organization. Right now, I'll simply choose the metric multidiscipline template and click on OK. After waiting for a few seconds, we should enter our Revit environment, and let's just look at the interface very briefly. In the center, we have the modeling workspace. On the left hand side, we have the properties panel. The right hand side has the project browser where we can browse all the views that exist and navigate ourselves towards them. On the top, we have the command ribbon that has been divided into different categories, and under each categories there are multiple commands that we can apply. This is a very brief overview of the user interface of Revit. On the bottom, you can see just below the model workspace, we have some display options as well. So you can see I can change the scale. I can also change the detail level if required. So let's just change this to fine. And now you can see that I can go ahead and start modeling in my project. Another important thing that has to be done is that you can set the units first. For that, you can use the shortcut UN, and very simply project units tab will open up. This tab you will also be able to find under the manage category. Over here, if I go ahead and change the length from I could easily change it to feet, or I could also change it to meters, whatever is necessary for my modeling workflow. Same goes for distance and area. If an area figure is being displayed in square meters, you can come back to this setting, change it from here to square feet, and it will be displayed as square feet. Next, very important thing that has to be done before any project is that you can go to the project browser and simply go ahead and open up any elevation that is there. So right now you can see I have opened the north elevation, and over here you will find two level lines. So these level lines are actually available in the under the architecture tab in the command ribbon. Here you can see under the datum category we have levels. The shortcut for this is LL, and already in this template I have two levels. L1 has been marked as 0, which can be understood as the ground line, and L2 is 3600, so that is 3.6 meters. What I can do, I can go ahead and add a few more levels, or I can go ahead and edit the values of them or rename them accordingly. Once you have set this according to your project requirements, then you can come back to your other views like floor plan and site plan and start adding geometry to create your project. In the following videos, we will learn how to set up levels, how to set up grids, and start adding some basic structural geometry. So please stay tuned. Thank you for watching.